The beautiful Somali ladies. This guy never forget about talking beautiful ladies. That's the
So guys, meet Caliben here. Caliben,
yes.
I have some few questions for you.
Few questions.
Yeah.
What about?
So what comes to your mind when you hear the word islii?
Islii.
Yeah.
When I heard the word Islii,
Where's my people there?
first thing Islii is in Nairobi, Kenya. Yeah, that's the first thing I know. Second thing, when I get the word Islii, it's like a Somaliland, something like that. So most people found they are Somali people. Yeah, Somali. Are the Somali people the same people with Oria? I don't know. Tell us in the comment whether Somali people are the same with Oria. Yeah.
Caliben,
Yes.
can you talk about Somali women?
Somali women.
Yes.
Okay. It's not just for bad, but I've never got interested in Somali ladies. But the only thing I know, Somali ladies. What do I know about Somali ladies? I don't know anything about Somali ladies.
What do you know about islii?
Islii.
In general?
In general.
Yeah.
That's a Dubai dog. Yeah, it's a Dubai dog in Kenya. We refer it as Dubai dog in Kenya because the business carrier there is like it's a drip thing. They sell drips like clothes. Yeah, that's where we take clothes. When we leak, we need some nice drips. Go for them at islii. Yeah, if you need any drip, nice drip look, go it for islii. Shop it at islii. Yeah, you get a nice drip there.
So
Yes.
you have talked about islii known as Somaliland. Why do you think people call it Somaliland?
Because most of Somali people who are in Kenya, they live in Islii. Yeah, and if you can't trust that, go collect some data there. You'll get that Somali people who are in Kenya, they live in Islii. I don't know why. I don't know why they live in Islii, but that's what I'm aware. Yeah.
Okay, Caliben.
Yes.
There is a video I did about islii,
Yeah.
and I heard that most Somali people mistreat other tribes. Tell us, is it true?
I'm not be used in Islii, or I'm not good a lot with Somali people. But if they could have been mistreating other people, I'm not just defending them, but if they have been mistreating other people, they could be in Kenya or in. You can't allow them to live in Kenya and live at Islii. Yeah. Though I've not got that experience, but I'm aware that if they could have been mistreating people, they could have no chance to live in Kenya. That's all. Yeah. So stop just like don't stop like talking much like negatives about Somali people just because they're in Kenya. Or like let us not call them like refugees. They are not in Kenya just for refugees. See the reason. Some are doing their business shit, succeed, carrying their business in. Yeah.
So I've been receiving some comments on the other video I did about islii.
Yeah, I saw it.
And some people are thinking that islii it's Somalia. Tell them that there is islii and there is Somalia.
No. You can't call Islii totally Somaliland. You just nicknamed it because most of the people live there are from Somaliland. Don't confuse between Somalia. There's Somalia country in Africa, right?
Yeah.
And there's Islii in Kenya where some Somali people live there. Those are two different things. Islii is a street in Nairobi where some Somali people live there, and there's Somaliland in Somalia. It's in Africa continent. Those are two different things. Yeah, so stop confusing between Islii and Somaliland. Though that's a nickname in Kenya, we call it like Somaliland because most of the people live there. Yeah.
So Caliben,
Yes.
in general, what can you say about islii?
You guys are alive? Yeah, you're alive, man.
Should I leave you alone?
Yeah, no, you can
No, just come.
Join us, bro.
What's up?
What's your name?
My name is Go See Africa.
Yeah, this go see, man.
Go See Africa.
Yeah, go see Africa, yeah.
So guys,
What's the point?
okay, we were talking about islii.
Yeah.
We were on the street and I was asking some people questions about what comes into their mind when they hear the word islii.
The beautiful Somali ladies. This guy never forget about talking beautiful ladies. That's the first thing you should know about Go See.
Yeah.
He never forgets about talking about beautiful ladies. Yeah.
Second, we have the biggest mall in East and Central Africa, the biggest mall in Islii. The other one, we have very friendly Somali people. But these guys are more friendly than anyone else in this country, yeah?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Fourth one, these guys are so much entrepreneur.
Yeah, the entrepreneurs, they run businesses.
They are so much into business. Yeah, I think that's all I know about Islii.
When it comes to they are loving and caring. Claudia Works has said, she has said that they have been known for mistreating other tribes.
Yeah.
Like
Somalis.
Yeah, she had said so.
Somalis don't.
They don't, because they have told her that if they could have been mistreating people, they could have no chance to live in Kenya or to do anything in Kenya.
They don't.
Yeah, those people are some are good. They are good. You can see they are totally
in fact, they are the best people I've ever interacted with.
Go See Africa.
Yeah.
Have you ever interacted with Somali people?
Yeah, sure. In fact, my best friends are Somali.
How was your experience?
Yeah.
How was your experience? Maybe you can tell my fans that they want to know more
about what?
About interacting with Somali people.
They are social.
Somalis. Anything else about Somalis? Advisement to marry Somali ladies. Yeah. Advisement to marry.
Yeah. But there is something. There's something I learned from these guys. The only difference is that they are men, not Somali, but Muslim. Most Somalis are Muslim. So Muslims will never want to convert to Christianity. Most of them will
marry their own Muslims.
Yeah. So they can only request you to convert to Muslim.
Yeah.
I can always convert.
Yeah. For we men, we can't convert out of our religion, man.
But I can convert.
If given a chance.
For me, whoever lady is coming across my life, she's the one to convert to my shit, to my religion shit. Yeah, I can't convert my religion shit because of a lady, man. That's a no-go zone in short.
You guys, I'm leaving.
Before you leave, I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to join us, man?
If given a chance.
Want to join us? Come join us, man. Just talk, see something about Islii.
There are some guys who want to join us.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you? Claudia Works. We are in the street and we are interviewing people. So I have a question for you. What comes into your mind when you hear the word Islii? Yeah. You can sit down. You can join us.
Just sit with her. Kana unafikiriaga nini ukisikia Islii? Hebu sema nini unafikiriaga nini ukisikia Islii?
Ama unajua nini kuhusu Islii?
Islii ni Waria. So something else apart from Waria?
Business.
No, and Mira. Mira is cut.
Yeah, Mira is cut. This guy is saying Islii. The business guy right there is Mira thing. The cut thing.
Have you ever used cut? Show to me a cut. Mira. Show to me.
Kuna moja hapo.
Thank you, bro, for joining us.
Okay, thank you so much.
You.
Subscribe for Claudia Works. Claudia Works na Go See Africa YouTube.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You need to keep on moving.
So guys, we have some people sitting there, so I just want to go and ask the same question too. Hi bro.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Claudia Works from YouTube.
From YouTube?
Yes, Claudia
Wanna take
Works.
us some?
Yes, I want to join you here. You enjoy here.
Yeah, tell us. Come enjoy here.
Okay, thank you.
Kwaje?
Niko fiti sana.
Naka umechangamka manze.
Yeah. Bro ni aje?
Are you up to something?
Yeah, ebu wasalimie.
Tusalimie. Si wewe mwambie mbona na wasalimie ndio tuwasalimie.
Yes, wasalimie.
Mbona wasalimie?
Okay, mimi naitwa Claudia Works. Huwa natembea kwa street na kiuliza watu maswali nikiwaonyesha streets vile ziko.
Kaga, naweza tuuliza lakini chetu angekaga.
Unataka kujua moja? What comes into your mind when you think about Eastleigh? When you hear what comes to your mind when you hear the word Eastleigh?
Ni silver, gold, tags.
Unajuanga hiyo? Can you explain more? Unaweza ongea Kiswahili haina shida.
Kizungu na kangumu kwangu.
Haikai, but unajua tuko wengi hapa.
Na tuelewe Kizungu wote.
Yes.
Yeah, nimepatana na kidogo for the first time na hapa. Ndio silver, ndio gold. Vile nikapata tag.
What was your experience?
It was good. Bado nilipata chupa naendea before I was robbed. Nilikuwa robbed.
This experience in Eastleigh was not that good, and it was not that bad. You was robbed, eh? Anything?
Still I enjoyed.
And still you enjoyed. So tell us about Somali people. Anything you know about Somali people?
Sasa mimi nikiongelea Somali people.
Unajua wino?
Do I know much?
Haina shida. Just talk.
I want to talk about Somalis. I know much about them.
You know much about them. Just talk.
I've schooled with them. Una time kwa robbed, siongelee wao ndo wapandilie ni rob. Pia kuna business fiti legit. Kasi wao singepata silver na gold.
So they do a legit business, eh?
Not really. They do their business. Yeah.
And
See, time nilienda ku exchange your time walini exchange without my consent.
Okay.
But they are good people.
They are good
It
people.
makes school now.
So, in general, what can you say about Eastleigh?
Sicily is a third nation.
It's a third nation.
Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, you have heard from East Side. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about Eastleigh? Your side, just talk.
Sicily. Kani poa ni poa.
Ujaikaa, lakini unaisikianga aje?
Hadi hizi madrini za Sicily. Naona bila sema uzuro.
Hizo madrini za Eastleigh? I never knew kama kuna
I hope how to pin location.
No, sijawaambia ni wapi.
See, they see.
No. They
See
don't.
background.
I will hide the background.
Sasa nakusho, as not really background, as in
No problem.
stage ni Sicily.
No.
Next stage ni hapa pia kwenda Sicily. Yeah.
Okay,
But I
sawa.
don't fear those guys.
It's okay. Thank you so much for your time. Sawa. Okay, mimi naitwa Claudia Wap. Mimi ni YouTuber na nilikuwa street zenu. I just want to ask you one question. What comes into your mind when you hear the word Eastleigh?
What?
When you hear the word Eastleigh, what comes into your mind? Eastleigh. The normal Eastleigh we all know. Ile siri moja tu. What comes, ni nini inakukujanga kwa akili ukisikia hiyo word Eastleigh? Yeah. Pia wewe ni mgeni, hujakaa huku. Oh, sawa. Mimi naitwa Claudia Watts. Unaweza niangalia kwa YouTube uone chenye tunafanyanga. Sisi tunatembeanga kwa street tukionyesha watu vile street zinakaa. Yani tuna explore the world. Yes, Africa to the world. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Okay. Hey bro, how are you? My name is Claudia. Unaweza kunisaidia kidogo? Okay. Sawa. Sasa niko na swali moja kwako. Tuna record Mimi ni YouTuber. Naweza kukuuliza swali moja? Okay, what comes into your mind when you hear the word Eastleigh? Yeah. Would you Eastleigh? So you know nothing about Oh, unaishi Mombasa. Oh, that's nice. So guys, my friend here he knows nothing about Eastleigh. He stays in Mombasa, but because he doesn't know, let's go to another person. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Yeah, so guys, let's keep on walking. Habari zenu? Mko salama? Mimi naitwa Claudia Works. Naweza wauliza swali? Niko na swali moja. Mimi ni YouTuber. Natembea tu na ni random question tu. Is that a random question? Nikuulize. Okay, swali langu ni what comes into your mind when you hear the word islii? Islii.
Islii najuanga ni mahali kuanga na biashara nzuri.
Businesses. Ni YouTube. Unaweza subscribe. Niko Mawaria. Yeah. Full of Somali people. They call it warriors.
Huko ndio biashara zinakuanga mzuri.
A lot of businesses happens there. Ni biashara gani zinaendeleanga huko zenye unajua? Biashara ni mingi, lakini can you be specific ni biashara gani?
Hizi kama za manguo.
Clothes
za wanawake, rembo.
Ladies wear. Alafu au can you in general unaweza sema islii iko aje?
Islii sio kubaya.
Siko islii is good, eh?
Yeah.
So guys, tumepata na mtu mwingine. For those who know Swahili, I'm happy. Tunaenda kwa mtu mwingine. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate. You can check me on YouTube channel. I'm Claudia Works. It's just about walking in the streets. We explore Africa. Thank you so much. So guys, let's keep on walking. There are some guys here and I want to approach one. Hey bro, how are you? I'm Claudia Works. Can I ask you a simple question? Okay. Can you allow me to film you? I'm taking something. Can you allow me to film you? Why? This one ngumu. It's sawa. Hey bro. How are you? My name is Claudia Works. Naweza kukuongelesha kidogo? Sawa. Naweza kufilm? Okay, sawa. I met another person here and he agreed to be seen on the camera. Now I have one question for you. What comes into your mind when you hear the word islii?
Mostly businesses.
Uji kitu ingine? Warriors. Islii is known for warriors people, Somali people, that is. Okay, so guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you like it, kindly subscribe, give it a like. See you in the next video. Bye bye.